Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to put multiple photos on your iPhone lock screen using a feature called Photo Shuffle. It's super easy and you can do it in just a minute. First, unlock your iPhone with Face ID, but don't go to the home screen. Stay on the lock screen and long press on it until you see the customization menu. Now tap the plus icon to create a new home screen. Here you will see a different wallpaper option. Tap Photo Shuffle. This is the feature that let you home screen change between multiple photos automatically. Tap select photo manually. You will see your camera roll. Just tap all the pictures you want. You can select family photos, selfies, travel photos, anything you like. You can choose multiple images, even 10 or more if you want. Once done, tap and add it in the top right. Your photo shuffle lock screen will appear now. You can swipe to choose different style like nature, black and white or duotone. You can also tap the clock to change the font or add if you want. When everything looks perfect, tap done in the top right. Your phone will now circle through all the photos you selected on your lock screen. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.